Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick sketch of the very famous Spawn. So to do this, we're just doing a portrait, so let's put in an oval right around there. Make that into a box shaped sort of thing so that we can work on it in that way. Line, another line. That is the face essentially, and then just put in an arc like that. Right. Shoulder and the other shoulder we did not worry about too much because it will not be that visible. We are showing this guy from a certain popular perspective, and then what we'll have for the remainder is his cloak and his fatigues. So for the head, very simple but yet very awesome design. So we will put in a pair of eyes. Okay, so once that is done, we go about putting those. Now these, I believe that they vary from artist to artist up to a certain extent. So that can be a little shorter. There we have it. Now you could either make the face going right in like this. I think that might be actually better, that shape. And here's the neck. So to best do him justice, just add in some quick crosshatch. We are imagining that the light source is coming from this side. So this is all fabric essentially that he has over his face. It's all a mask. So if you're quickly putting some dark shading there, and then should have highlighted the head more at the back, but okay, because it's going to blend in with the cloak and everything in any case. So do not worry too much if you made something more darker than others. So as you see that I'm just playing around with some crosshatch. Okay, so there is a simple sketch of his face so far, but then you could just go and make this as simple or as complicated as you wish, depending on what design you choose to work with. He's one of the characters like Batman where you could like really go all out. So I'm just putting in some lines right there for his cloak. I know that he has what you say has the skull-like things, or sometimes he has one. So we will put in one over here just for the sake of identifying with him better. So an oval shape right there, and then the Punisher like eyes on the skull coming down, and I believe that he has all these jagged teeth. And we will give him a belt that can vanish under the cloak, part of the cloak right there. And then of course we have the what you call the famous two stripes that he has right here. So the markings, one of them is going to go under that belt. There is a part of the delt, the bicep, chest, right around there. So again, most of this could be under a cloak, or you could choose to highlight it. It's all up to you. Now, if the light source is behind, I would, coming from here that is, I would recommend just putting a light shade here, right through, darker shade behind the head, and then darker shade right under where the cloak continues to fall. Now this is a character in which you could essentially put in as many details as you wish. And then of course the cloak will cast considerable shadow where it falls onto his frame, so namely the anatomy will also get considerably engulfed by the darker tones that you will be putting in his cloak. I can go like this, put in some crosshatch just for additional effect, and then of course right under here darker shadows for clarity again. And we're almost done. So we'll just put in some character into this guy here, this skull. Put in some direct shadow right under him. There's a belt going there, but you do not need to highlight too much. Highlight a bit of the bicep right there. Make sure you have like some kind of color going all the time because he's engulfed in fabric. Just put in a shade like that. Now if I do some smudging, you'll see that it will be just a little nicer to okay, so just giving it a little highlight there, highlight there, let's highlight it right here. Alright, so there we have it. Quick sketch of Spawn. Please do check the character out. He's very cool. One of the best creations in pop culture. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Have yourself a wonderful day.